I mean, shot. On bond for DWI with us.
Whoa, so we're starting off with a revoked bond and a fresh assault charge. That escalated fast. Let's pause. What does it mean when someone's bond is revoked? In short, the court no longer trusts you'll show up, so back to jail you go.
And you've now picked up an aggravated assault offense. You might dismiss Drake Osby. What happened in the ag assault, please?
Yes, Your Honor. On April 1st, 2020, as first specified, the plaintiff and the defendant are exes from a prior dating relationship. On April 1st, 2025, an officer was dispatched to an address in Hughes County, Texas, responsible for disturbance call. The plaintiff said there was a verbal altercation when the defendant took the plaintiff's cell phone. The defendant then entered the bedroom and began striking phone and objects to break it. The plaintiff was able to retrieve his cell phone, at which time the defendant began to strike the plaintiff in the head and torso with a close fist, causing him to fall on the ground. The plaintiff was able to walk away, and the defendant grabbed a metal object and struck the plaintiff in the head and arm, causing 2 lacerations on his left eye and a laceration on his right eye, and multiple scratches on both arms. The defendant then jumped the fence and fled the scene. The object was...
And all this over a phone? Yep. It's a textbook example of how small disputes can spiral into felony territory. Audience, have you ever had an argument that almost got out of control? Let me know in the comments.
They saw a metal bracket 12 to 16 inches in width, made of heavy gauge steel designed to hold 2 cylindrical metal tubes and has multiple sharp forms. The item is manufactured for law enforcement officer use as a mounting or deployment device for entire depletion.
And all this over a phone? Mr. Drake Osby, I now have to revoke your bond in our case as well. I'm sorry, so I'm gonna set it at 5,001. You've still not made bond on the felony case, so if you do, I mean, we can talk, but John, I think he's set for when? She's set for
514, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want to do, I guess, the day after then?
You look at
Let's break that down. No body cam footage and no discovery yet? That means the case is running almost blind. Defense attorneys call this a legal limbo, where you're forced to prep for battle without seeing the enemy's weapons.
one other thing, Judge. Well, I think the felony is actually set for Monday. Our case before this one was caught up was when she was reset for 514.
It's up to, I'm good with whatever you want to.
I'm actually looking, I don't have any new discovery to look over because this case is so new. There weren't even any body cams for me, so I'm pretty much waiting on everything. I'll leave it where it is and I'll monitor things and see what's going on with the felony case, Judge.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
So I've got a couple to talk to you about.
Okay.
Start with the easier one first. Mr. Ally, he,
Marquis Seller?
yes,
Is he in prison?
no, he's on bond. He had a violation because apparently he was doing random drug tests.
Oh, right. Is he here?
He is here. He went and he's tested. He came back negative, which is positive. But I think there was a miscommunication or a misunderstanding about him having to go drug test. He's got a pretty extensive orange sheet. And he's doing a mental health DTI, which he's done the interview. We're just waiting on the report. So I think it may have just, when he missed the drug test, just a misunderstanding, miscommunication as to what the bond conditions were.
Edward Johnson.
Did you get the report on Ally yet?
Okay, I get those emails. I don't think I can.
I haven't gotten one, but I did speak
I've been
with.
waiting. It's been a long time.
Well, they do them in batches rather than piecemeal. And so we just,
I mean, he went and did it at least 60 days ago, no?
I don't think it's been 60, maybe 30, 45-ish, but he has gone. I did speak with the Harris Center and he,
I remember you told me that he went.
yeah. We're just waiting.
Okay, here's where things get interesting. We're now dealing with overlapping legal systems. Criminal court meets immigration detention. That ICE hold complicates everything. This is the legal equivalent of trying to play chess on 2 boards at once.
And the Harris Center, I know that they're very overwhelmed and understaffed and
I get it. What do you want to do?
what, like I said, he's here, his clean, if we
That's
could.
good.
Yes,
Okay, I mean, he's clean, which is great.
Yeah.
Right, so let's set it, I don't know, maybe a week? If it's not back in a week, I'm gonna call it.
okay, perfect.
Who's
Let's do
next?
that. Mr. Jorge Pena, he's in custody. He has a fugitive case,
Is it what case?
a fugitive case.
Okay, hi,
And,
Amy.
he would like to speak to you about getting a new lawyer.
About a bond?
No, he wants a new court-appointed lawyer. And
Do you mind bringing out Jorge Pena, please? Pena, please.
I don't want to presume to speak for the court,
Is it
but
upset with you? I find that really hard to believe, really.
Judge,
And you go to bat, so I don't get it, right?
this is the first time.
He thinks he can get a different result. Is it just because of the fugitive case?
So he has a fugitive case and a local case, which makes it a little more complicated.
He's made bond on the local case, which is good, so the 15 days. Did he waive or did he refuse? Okay. He looks young, huh? Rick, did you find something?
Oh, Judge, I don't have the website, Judge. You can pass that along, I'll try.
You what?
I don't have the website.
Judge,
Let me just make sure.
the locator system says it won't work.
Say it again?
The locator system said that it will not work within 48 hours of them being placed into U.S. custody. I'm not sure if it has been in the last 48 hours that she's been detained by ICE.
You want, hey, it looks like I've got the boyfriend here. Do you want me to get the phone number for this person and I'll give it to you, Rick? You want to talk to him? Or have you already talked to
I've
him?
been talking to him, Judge. I do have it.
And what's he saying?
He says that tells me that ICE has her.
ICE has her.
I don't have any, yes, I don't have a verification of it.
Okay, so why don't we do this? Because state is saying that within 48 hours of them taking, they can't verify it. I guess it takes a bit to hit the system, you know?
Oh, I see, yes.
And
Mhm.
when did they allegedly get her?
Yesterday, it showed that she was out on bond, but she didn't appear yesterday. So apparently,
Judge, if you
maybe
like,
a couple of days before.
Say it again?
It does give a number for the field office. If you'd like me to reach out and contact them.
Yeah, but you got a lot, I mean, you got a lot of stuff here going on, you know?
But county doesn't have a right, Judge?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you should get that deeply involved, you know what I mean? Because I don't want you to do something and you get in trouble, so. The hold was lifted 3/16. Rick,
Okay, Judge.
so that's been 2 weeks.
Wow. So apparently that's where she's been. I've had no contact with her, Judge.
I mean,
But,
if we can't verify that she's in custody, because I can't, then I'm gonna revoke the bond.
Right, right. I understand.
So I guess,
Maybe-
do you want to see if the guy that's here can provide proof that she's in other than his word?
Right. He tells me that he has a immigration attorney for her. So let me speak to him, Judge. I'll talk to him and then I'll get back with you.
He has like a folder with a bunch of stuff.
You have his phone number?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Okay. Do you speak English?
Yeah, I speak English.
Okay, so her lawyer is going to call you now. We need proof that she's actually in immigration custody.
Number and everything, forced it and everything. She has court Monday, doing my immigration, her immigration lawyer, I'll sponsor her and everything.
Okay, so go out there, speak to the lawyer to see what kind of proof that you can bring us and let us know. And
Okay, yeah, I got all the paper you need, okay. Okay.
he's going to call you now.
Okay.
Okay,
Will do, Judge. Thanks.
thanks, Rick. Hey, after this,
23 years old with a stack of cases and now wanted out of state? That's not just a legal headache, It's a full-blown legal identity crisis. Ever wonder how someone racks up that many charges that fast? Let's talk patterns of behavior in the system.
He just. Pena.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mr. Pena, you were wanted out of another state. And I guess your lawyer is, there are two things. You're not happy with Anna here. And so we need to talk about that, number one. Number two, a lot of times when people have fugitive cases, they ask for me to set them a bond so they can get out and go turn themselves in. I don't know. I don't know why you're wanted out of the other state. All I know, I now, and within the last, year and a half, you've picked up 2 other cases with me in this court. So I know you because you keep picking cases up. So I don't care if you have Jesus here. It don't matter who you got, where she's as that good, right? I don't know if I'm going to give you a bond because all I know is you keep picking cases up. And you're only 23. So Amy, tell me about Mr. Penn.
Yes, he's born out of Newton County, Indiana. Corrupt business influence, forgery, fraud, and identity section. This was issued May 14th of 2024. He of course has local cases for DWI, Court 15. Let me see what else.
What's he wanted for? What was the first part?
Corrupt business influence, forgery, fraud, and then identity deception.
Corrupt business influence, forgery, and fraud. Do we know that they want him?
Yes.
Okay, is there a bond that's been set there?
I don't have any information about bonds.
Okay.
Also, day is coming up in 5 minutes if we're discussing bond.
Okay. So tell me, what's going on?
Mr. Pena, I don't want to get too far into attorney-client
Sure, of
communication.
course.
He would like to ask for a new appointed lawyer.
Why?
Well, me and her had a conversation. Like, there's nothing against her, but we just had a conversation, and I didn't think that
She's fighting for you?
you could
She's
say-
one of the biggest junkyard dogs that we have here. There's no one that fights more than she does.
No,
She's better than most attorneys I even see here. I'm telling you, she's amazing.
No, I believe you. You could be saying the truth, but
I am saying the truth.
no, I know you. I believe it. And just off the fact, the case, the other price case that you did bring up, I haven't had. It was a year and a half already, and it's only been for my for protection. Like my other cases, I'm not no bad dude that robbery or they're all gun charges, and that's just on the behalf of the landscaping business that I got. That every time when I'm in the backyard or so, somehow they're always trying to steal the back of the trailer. That's the only reason, and the only cases that I got. I don't got no evading arrest, no.
So the defendant wants to swap out a court-appointed junkyard dog lawyer for someone he once had. Sounds like loyalty, or maybe strategy. But here's the kicker. Public defenders don't get swapped out like light bulbs just because you don't vibe.
No, like robbery or however you.
I don't know, but we have another prosecutor that's coming up to speak about this as well. I'm not going to give you another lawyer. This is a lawyer that we've given you. We only have a couple lawyers who do these types of cases regardless.
Okay.
So,
The only thing I was gonna. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you.
Okay.
The only one I was gonna ask you was I was trying to get the lawyer that fought for the 2 gun charges. I don't know, Mr. Some with, I just forgot. I think he's an Italian dude.
those cases you had,
They have the same guy, and I really thought it was him right here.
oh, it is Greg.
I know why you didn't familiar. Yeah,
Yeah, Greg, you represented Mr. Pena on both of his prior cases.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, man.
That's why when I looked at it, I was like,
So, look, the only way you can have Greg is you can hire him. Otherwise, you got Anna. Okay?
oh, yeah, he's getting. Oh, now he charges
Hire him.
that. Look at
I always charge. I don't know what you're thinking.
All right, we're gonna put you back because we're waiting on another lawyer to come up here.
Let me go back and talk.
Yeah, for sure.
Good morning, or good afternoon, whatever it is.
What happened, Dave? Are you upset
Too
with
late, Judge. I didn't, I missed that you set a $5,000 bond on Anna's other client.
Look, I didn't see very much violent history. I saw that this is yes, but it's been 5 years since he's gotten in trouble. Do you have something to add? I'm all ears.
Well, I let Amy prepare it, so I'm gonna just let sleeping dogs lie. I just, yeah.
I didn't see much violent history. I saw DWI, I saw an evading, but those back in 15 and 16. You know,
It was I mean, it's already done, so it's, at this point,
do you have something that's truly aggravating that would give cause for concern?
well,
I know the facts of this case, right?
the argument I would have leaned more towards is not the, necessarily the physical danger, but it's the flight.